Hello everybody, I'm that weird guy and this is DCE, and a month ago I started working on an app that will take an input and run it through some code and either output it as the decoded or encoded string that you could then copy into your clipboard. And then I thought I might as well document it. My initial idea was to do a second input field where the one called new text is, but it would have to be read-only, which just basically meant that you couldn't change what it said. I got the base code to work, and if it will let me, I'll show you it, which I wasn't initially going to do because it's secret code, but actually, now that I think about it, I'm just gonna have to say goodbye to that so that you can actually see everything. This is why all my footage was deleted. So this is my code. And so initially I tried doing things like this to change that, and this. They didn't work. So initially I was going to just call it quits there, but then last night I woke up and had this idea. Why not have a button copy it directly to the clipboard? So then I googled that. I found this article that I'll put in the description of this video. It basically said how to do exactly what I wanted to do. And so I used that, but did it with a separate button, which I figured out that every time I'd hit a button, it would go through the entire code and only do the function that applied to the button. So it was taking these strings and resetting them to nothing, which was a problem. So I just figured I could just combine the two buttons and that would nullify the problem, and it worked. And then I tried to put it on my phone and that did not work. So I gave up again, and I didn't come up with another idea. But it does work. I'll show you it now. So this does work. Alright, so now I'm going to just give you an example. So outputs it down there, but also copied it over. And so if we go over, and just, it'll do that. See, it's the same thing that I put in. So it all works. I just can't get it to work on my phone. Most of what I learned is about the UI and how a lot of people don't care about it. At least not enough to make useful heckin' documentation of how to use it. I guess once I get this to work on the phone, I'll probably add it to a description in some way. That's pretty much it. I don't have any closing remarks or anything, so I'm just gonna go sleep.